Hello dear viewers, welcome to Sonar Heshel, where every day we present new recipes with love and care. Whether it's a familiar homemade taste or something a little special, innovation is our identity. And today, Sonar Heshel brings you a completely new and irresistible recipe, Mutton Keema Kachuri. To prepare the kachuri dough, we will take 250 grams of refined flour. To this, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, the yolk of 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Gradually add 1 cup of water and knead well to make a soft dough. Cover. Now it's time for the filling. Take 250 grams of mutton keema in a bowl. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of rock salt. Mix all the ingredients well to prepare a fragrant keema filling. Next, stuff the keema filling inside the dough, shape the kachuris, and fry them. And with this, Sonar Heshel's special mutton keema kachuri is ready for today. First step, dough preparation. Take a bowl, add 250 grams of refined flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee, egg yolk, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then, slowly add 1.5 cups of water and knead well to make a firm, well-bound dough. Cut the dough into large portions and shape them into round balls. Keep aside. Second step, filling preparation. Take 250 grams of mutton keema. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of rock salt. Mix all the ingredients well to prepare the filling. Third step, making the kachuri. Roll out small flat breads from the dough balls. Place the keema filling in the center and seal from all sides. Give a beautiful design as desired. Final step, frying. Drop the kachuris into hot oil and fry for 30 to 40 seconds until they turn golden in color. That's it. Sonar Heshel's special mutton keema kachuri is ready. In Bengali food culture, kachuri is an emotion. Bengalis have shared a deep love for luchi and kachuri for generations, and within that tradition, mutton keema kachuri has slowly carved out its own special place. Tracing its roots takes us back to the era influenced by Nawabi cuisine, when Mughal and Awadhi culinary styles entered the kitchens of Kolkata. The idea of parantha or kachuri stuffed with minced meat arrived in Bengal during that time, and blending with Bengali tastes became more homely and more personal. From the old kitchens of North Kolkata homes to festive mornings and special Sunday breakfasts, mutton keema kachuri gradually transformed from a symbol of aristocracy into a cherished family delicacy. The contrast of a crispy outer shell with fragrant keema inside created a unique place in the Bengali palate. Over time, this dish became popular everywhere, from restaurants to home kitchens. Today, mutton keema kachuri is not just a dish, it is a part of Bengal's festivals, memories, and heritage. Generation after generation, this flavor continues to flow forward, taking on new forms and new ideas. And this is how mutton keema kachuri has secured its permanent place in Bengali food culture. In the next episode, Sonar Heshel will return with a completely new and special recipe. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, and keep loving cooking.